Hello, my name is James Rafferty and I am studying the OEM Engineering Traineeship. What made me do the traineeship was that it was no college fees. I wanted to do engineering but didn't know what area I wanted to go into. And with the traineeship it led me into seeing more areas and having hands-on experience then in the factory here. The tutors in Monaghan Institute will be very helpful. They'll talk you through things and help you out through it. My favourite part of the traineeship would be working here in the factory and getting the hands-on experience. On my first placement for the traineeship, I started off down in Straddles, and down there I started off with the basics, tapping holes, laying hoses and clamping them. Then I went down to the side loaders and I started tapping the machine, and then by the end of the placement I was helping build the whole machine from start to finish. So I would recommend the course to people that wanted to get into engineering but don't know what area they want to go into because the course is so broad. I feel the advantages of this course for me are that it's only a 9-month course, there's no college fees and you get hands-on experience in the working environment.